This is Helpscreen, and this is how to remove all drawings and indicators on TradingView application. So guys, just simply follow along that I'm going to show you. So now guys, first thing that you will do is make sure you are running the latest version of the app on the Google Play Store. And guys, once you ensure that it is the latest version, just open up the application. And then from here guys, just go to the chart over here at the bottom. And then from here, as you can see, you will have this icon over here. Just tap on it. And then from here, guys, if you scroll to the left, as you can see, you will have here an option to remove. So guys, just tap on that. And then from here, you will have multiple options. You can remove drawings, you can remove indicators, and you can also remove both. So guys, just select the preferred choice that you like. And then from there, you will be able to remove your drawings and indicators on your TradingView application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!